guys today. We're back with another video, and today I'm going to be making slime like usual, like that's what I always make. It's like if you ask me something different, like what are you doing today, Ariana? Making slime. Like it's because I make it all the time. Yeah. So first you'll need glue, like every slime, except if you're making soap slime, but that never works, so don't trust it. And then you're gonna need something to do it on. Use this so you don't make a mess. Pour as much as you want. So you squeeze, come out. Quite gentle. I'm pouring a lot because I want a lot of slime. Who doesn't?
See, what we call God depends upon our track. What do? Because God is trying. God takes time. No man was kind to me when I was a little from Daddy's fist and abomination.
So now what you do here is you
cannot be all good. He is all good. He cannot be all bad. And neither can you.
is you grab your
with their eyes.
You grab your activator and then you just put it in doing something.
2 years growing, but it did not take much to push him over, actually. Little red nose. Big bang, you let your family die! And now, you will fight him. And you will battle to the death.
No.
Black and blue.
I usually add lotion, so what I'm gonna do is add some lotion.
Son of Krypton versus Bat of Gotham.
So.
Yes, I do. I think you will fight for that special lady in this. He's still on the ground. How about you? Close, but I am not talking about Lois. Every rose.
Steven coming. then I just mix that in. Now, of course, it's not going to activate yet. What? Then you're going to add this. You don't have to add it first, but you can. And then you're going to add your... I put baking soda and water, but you guys can just do baking soda if you want. It's totally optional. I just do baking soda and water because it makes it more glossier and better. Keep on mixing until you think you can get your hands to it, and then you can actually do it. Get your hands to it. See, it makes it really glossy, but it depends on what lotion you're adding into it. That makes it sticky or not sticky. This makes it sticky, which makes it this one makes it glossy and sticky. But I like sticky slime because then it's not thick slime and it's stretchy slime. And I'm just gonna call this cottage cheese slime. I don't know what. Weird. Really weird. Wonder what time it is. 4:45. So that is basically how you make this glossy slime. And if you want it glossy, then you're gonna have to add this type of lotion. Hold on. It has to be this type. What is it? This. White glue and the instructions. Bye guys, like and subscribe. Bye.